Bell VASEL Mission 449 Part 8 Happiness Overflows. Topic is given. Write a short story within a within 3 pages in English. Dear students, we can write anything about our sadness, our torture, sufferings, worries, but when this kind of title is given about the happiness that overflows, somewhat it is difficult, but anyhow you must think very carefully. Without thinking, you cannot write like this in this topic. The given title is very confused one. However, we are giving you the model of the topic. Just read it carefully and find in your life whether there is any such a kind of happiness overflow. Now we will start first in English, then in the next study program part 9, the same passage is given in Tamil. So you take care, read it or watch the video in English first or Tamil, whatever you like. We will start right now. The story title, Happiness Overflows. That day, Michael had to go to his classroom, 11th grade, to teach commerce. As usual, the students were eagerly waiting for the arrival of the class teacher. When he entered into the class, all the students stood up and welcomed him with great joy. After a few minutes, he started teaching the correspondence course. As soon as he started teaching the students, the director of the school suddenly ended unexpectedly and sat on one of the students' seats. Since the director had not done all the days of his teaching in the past 5 years, so Michael was in a mood of astonishment. However, the teacher had taken, as usual, to the students, and he thought that any one of his students might have given some complaint petition against him. So the director had come to visit the class. He thought like that, but anyhow, he did his own work as usual. The students and the teacher thought the same because of the instruction of the director in the class. But Michael was not so far bothered about the sudden visit, and as usual he started teaching the students by using his own technique of telling a certain important incident or two happenings or real or unreal happenings of the day-to-day life. So that the students should find the correct occasion to think and write letters. Writing letters is very important because you cannot write anything as usual as you speak from one another. This is very important. You should take care. When you write a letter, nobody should be hurt. If you have to do one thing, you should read it once again and again and find it has any or worried some items in these wordings. So you should avoid. This is what the teacher instructed the students first. All the students were listening attentively to the teacher's approach and the way of telling important news before writing a letter. The director did not fail to notice that all the students were being very alert in the entire class. The students were clapping their hands whenever the teacher gave an art reason and method for the importance of writing letters that had expressed their real intention to hear and take it in their call of action with great joy and enthusiasm. The director was watching everything silently and noted a certain points in his form. When the class period was over, the director wanted to leave the classroom, asked the teacher to come to his office room when the teacher find the time of his visit, and he left the spot. The director's sudden visit for this time made his mind more suspicious and confused. After the teachers had gone, After the teacher had got free time, he went to the director's cabin. On teacher's entrance, the director greeted him more warmly. He told the teacher he had received a letter from the Ministry of Education, and the teacher had got a very good news, he informed. He told, "You are assigned to teach the subject of commerce to all of our officials in this municipal corporation city." On the contrary of his thought, the director informed him differently. That made him shocked. Watching a little smile on his face, the director assured that it is a great surprise for me too. So I wanted to watch your class teaching, how you are teaching, and came to understand your method of teaching was very nice, wonderful, and excellent. I promise you that I will clarify everything to the Ministry of Education in my reply. In that time, Michael thanked God for His grace to uplift him in a different level. The ministry had asked the director to inform the matter to all the department officials, including bank officials. The class would start next week onwards as for teaching part-time service in subject 3 years diploma course in commerce. Only high officials on paying fee will be given opportunity to learn the course from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the night or evening. We can say in the evening, 6 p.m. to 9. Michael really considered that was a great job for those who serve the people of the city, as he knew what the government servants do their dedicated service, and they would help all the society as a whole without any disparity or discrimination among them. The officials were informed that they could get increment on or after passing the diploma course. They would be considered for the promotion of their post also. Teacher Michael, Teacher Michael's joy found no bounds. He did not expect such changes to come in his life at any time. It was a big surprise when he came to know about the special extra work being given to Mike. All the teachers and students in that school expressed their great joy and happiness altogether. My dear students, please read once again. All these will be given in the description side also. Take print out and check up how the story is written. Just approach and share the others also this kind of story. Just don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.